It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today we're going to draw something super fun and adorable. It's a happy dog riding in a car. Grab your snacks, sit back, and have fun watching our drawing. Do you have a dog at home, my friends? I have a cute dog named Happy. What's the name of your dog? Look, the dog is looking at us, and it looks super duper happy. Now let's draw the car that our cute little dog is riding in. Now let's draw the wheels. The car needs wheels so it can go vroom vroom on the road. What kind of car do you want, my friends? Maybe a fast race car, a shiny red car, or even a magical rainbow car. Wow, do you see that? The wheel is already rolling. Let's add dog's tail and collar. This will make our dog even cuter and more complete. Ta-da! The dog is already driving. Do you want to ride with our dog? It's going to be such a fun and happy trip, my friends. Did you know that dogs can hear sounds that are 4 times farther away than we can? Wow, that's amazing. No wonder they're such good listeners. It's color time. Red. Our dog looks like a taxi driver. Should we call him Mr. Doggy Driver? Let's make our dog and car super bright and happy with beautiful colors. A puppy is what we call a baby dog. So cute. If you color this car, what color would you want it to be, my friends? Do you like drawing with me? Haha. Dogs sleep a lot, sometimes even 12 to 14 hours a day. Next is color blue. Maybe the dog is driving to the pet store to buy yummy bones and treats. Did you know dogs can hear sounds that are too quiet for us to hear? That's amazing! Do you think our dog knows where the brake is? Beep, beep! It's time to color the windshield. The car is looking more and more amazing. Maybe our dog is playing music in the car. Woof, woof, music time. Yellow. Let's color the back and front lights of the dog's car. This will make it shine so bright when our dog is driving around. Next is wheels. I love to color them blue to make this car extra special.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W.
What if the dog takes a wrong turn and ends up at the playground? Ha ha ha!
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E,
Where do you think he's going? Maybe to a doggy party with all his friends.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Dogs wag their tails when they're happy, just like our dog today. Green for a dog collar. Haha, I think our dog is really enjoying his ride. Let's color the dog with orange. I think this is the best color for our dog. What do you think, my friends? Did you know some dogs tilt their heads when we talk to them? Maybe they're thinking. Dogs are called man's best friend because they are loving, loyal, and always by our side. Wow, our dog looks extra adorable in orange. Do you see his tail, my friends? It's wagging, and that's a sign he's happy. So cute. Love your dog because they are our best friends. All right, our drawing is finally done. I hope you enjoyed our cute dog riding a car, my friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings like this. Thank you so much for watching.